Hello friends! Today we have the MDT-4310N, and in this video, I'll show you its complete wiring and parameter settings in a simple and clear way. First, let's talk about the wiring. On terminals 1 and 2, we have given the line and neutral, which is the main supply, 100 to 270 volts AC. Here you have common, no, and NC relay contacts. For demonstration, we looped the line to the common terminal. From terminal 4, no, we connected one wire to the LED's positive. The LED's neutral has been connected directly to the neutral terminal. This means whenever the relay operates, the LED will turn on. On the right side, we have used a micro switch to provide the start trigger. You can also connect reset through another micro switch or push button between the common and reset terminals. Now let's go into the settings. Turn off the power supply. Press and hold reset, and while holding it, turn the power on. You will now see the parameter menu. The first option is unit selection. Press reset to choose seconds. Press again for minutes. Press again for hours. We will select seconds for this demo. At 200, you can select the decimal point. The default is 99.9. Press reset to change or remove the decimal. At 300, you select the delay mode. Delay on. Delay off. For now, we will use delay off. At 400, you choose how the time should count on display. Up, timing will increase, 0 set value. Down, timing will decrease, set value 0. At 500, you have the memory setting. Yes, if power fails, the timer resumes from where it stopped. No, timer resets completely after power returns. Example, you set 20 seconds. Power fails at 10 seconds. If memory is equal to yes, it restarts from 10 seconds. At 600, you can set the auto reset time. If you want the timer to reset automatically after a set duration, you can enter that time here. At 700, you simply exit the parameter menu. Press reset to confirm exit. I have set the timer to 5 seconds in delay off mode. When I give a trigger pulse, relay turns on instantly. LED glows. And after 5 seconds, the relay turns off. Trigger again. Again, it will turn on, hold for 5 seconds, and turn off. To change the delay mode, set thumb wheel to 100. Turn off power. Hold reset and turn on. At 300, change mode to delay on. Exit using 700. Now with timing set to 5 seconds. I press the start switch. The timer counts 5 seconds first. After 5 seconds, relay turns on and LED stays on continuously. To reset, simply press the reset switch. This was the complete wiring and parameter walkthrough of the MDT-4310N timer controller.